Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is another look inspired by Gabrielle Alvarez, or Midnight Weirdo over on Instagram. If you don't follow her, I really recommend it. She does little get ready with me's every day, almost every day on her Instagram stories, and they're so much fun to watch, and she inspires me so much with all of her unique makeup looks, and I wanted to recreate this one. She did little rhinestones under it, and she kept the crease very blank, but had a little bit of sparkle up there. And as someone who didn't wear green eyeshadow until like 2 months ago, I really love this look. And I mean, I think it's really wearable, but you know, a little color never hurt anybody. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that so you don't miss out on future videos. I post new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so my brows are on. I'll link that tutorial in the cards above if you're interested, and I'm gonna start by priming with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Primer. This primer is just good at hydrating the skin. I'm gonna use the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer, the areas that my pores are a little bit bigger. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Foundation. Did a review, or my first impressions, on this foundation, and if you're interested in that, I can link that video in the cards above too. Spoiler alert, I like it. I've been using it a whole lot recently. I'm gonna cover up my under eyes and any other little discoloration with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. I'll prime my lids with it while I'm at it. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. And then I'll very lightly set the rest of my face too. Lightly contouring with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. Lightly bronzing the face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush and Party. I'm gonna highlight with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and Be My Highlight. Hit my brow bone while I'm here. Redefining my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. Just gonna put a little bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb and Fussy on. Gonna dip into my Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette and go into that shade Lookin Fresh, and I'm gonna start wrapping that around my entire eye, not taking it into the crease too much. Really just hugging my lash line with that, but not keeping it too close. I'm gonna take out my lower lash line too. Kinda making a wing with it. Put it on the inner corner. We're just gonna layer all the greens. Now I'm taking the Makeup a Murder Pastel Poison Neon Pigment in Mint, and I'm just gonna layer that. Yeah, it's really brightening up that green. More green! I am taking the shimmery green from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm gonna wrap that around my eye as well, but I'm gonna keep this one a little bit tighter, not gonna smudge it out quite as much. Now I'm gonna line the outer half of my eye with the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil. I believe the shade name is I-32. I'm not worried about it being too clean because I'm gonna go and smoke it out. Now with a very small, kind of flat brush, this is the e.l.f. and Jkissa J6 brush, I'm just smudging that liner out. I'm keeping my eye open when I do this outer corner kind of wing area so I can see where I want the product to go. I'm taking Tank from the e.l.f. and Jkissa To The Rescue palette, and I'm just layering that on top of where we just put the liner to help smoke it out even more. If you ever feel like things need help blending, you can take the brush that you used for the previous colors and just kind of run it on the edges. Gonna take some of that Makeup Forever eyeliner and pop it just on the very inner tear duct of my eye. Now I'm layering just a teensy tiny bit of Tank over that. I didn't pick up any more product, I just used what was on it from last time. Now I'm gonna take What a Pitty Smile from the e.l.f. and Jkissa Tsuki to my Heart eyeshadow topper duo. Just putting it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna pick it up with a little brush and I'm gonna pop that on my inner corner. And then a little bit in the crease and kind of up towards the brow bone. I'm gonna go do the same thing on my other eye. Gonna give my top and lower lashes a very generous coating of the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. I would normally curl my lashes before doing this, but I'm trying to give them a little bit of a break. And so I'm not gonna do that step today. I'm just taking some of the NYX glitter primer and some of these tiny little rhinestones that I got off Amazon, and I'm gonna pop one little rhinestone on the center of each of my lower lash lines. First I'm just dotting the glitter glue, and then I'm going and picking up the rhinestone. This is just a little wax pencil that came with the rhinestones. It helps with picking them up. And then I'm wiping the glue just off of the pencil before I go in with the next rhinestone, because I don't want that glue to cover up any of the shininess from the rhinestone. And that's the finished look! Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.